Hi there everyone, I'm Cheryl. I'm the head of merchandising here at Keepsake Quilting, and this is Natasha. She's our shipping manager. We're here in our retail store today. It's a busy day, so it's a little loud, so we're going to try and talk loud for you so you can hear us. But behind us is the A is for Apple kit. This kit is just marked down to 50% off. It started at $199.99, and so now you can pick up this kit on our website for $99.99. So it's a super good deal. But we brought it in today because Natasha just finished it
Saturday, and I finished the binding on Sunday.
So this is Natasha's quilt. Gorgeous. She did an excellent job of putting it all together. What makes this different are the appliques. So it's an expensive quilt, but it's expensive because of the applique is all pre-cut and has the fusible already backed on there. So I'll let you talk about that technique.
Okay. Well, because like you said, it's pre-cut and fusible. The way I put this on here was 13-inch blocks is the way it was supposed to be cut. So I went ahead and I took it, folded it from this corner to this corner, and basically creased it so that I would have that line, and did the same thing this way so I'd have that line, and then I folded it this way for each block so I would have the lines this way and this way, and then just set it down on top. That way all of these lines were there, and then I would have this so I could line it up. It's already there. All I had to do at that point was iron it down and stitch it down, and it wasn't going to go anywhere. Yeah. So it was made it a lot easier to do all these appliques.
And have you done applique
no,
before?
This is my first applique quilt. So.
Yeah. And how long would that take you?
It took me about, once I started getting going and realized what was going on and what I needed to do, it took me about 15-20 minutes per applique.
So that's good.
Yeah.
So all of these shapes are all pre-cut for you. You know, normally it would probably take 15 or 20 minutes to pre-cut all around all of those.
Yeah.
So to have a finished block in like 15 or 20 minutes, it's really perfect. So we just wanted to pop on here, have a show and tell for you guys to show this beautiful quilt, and hopefully you can grab one at 50% off at keepsakequilting.com.